Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Grid app. First, open the application and select New Project from the main menu. You'll then be prompted to choose a grid template or start from scratch. For an easy method, pick a pre-designed template that suits your needs. This saves time and provides a solid foundation for your creative work. Let's dive in and make your first grid. Now let's create your grid layout. Once your project is open, you can easily modify the grid by dragging the edges to adjust its size. To add more rows or columns, simply click the plus icon on the grid's border. Remember, you can always undo any changes if needed. The app offers flexible options for a perfect layout, whether you need a 2x2 or a 16:9 ratio. With your grid structure ready, it's time to add content. You can drag and drop images directly from your device into any grid cell. For text, simply click a cell and start typing or paste existing content. Easily resize elements by pulling their corners and use the alignment tools for perfect positioning. Experiment with different fonts and colors to make your design pop. Finally, let's talk about exporting and sharing your masterpiece. The Grid app allows you to save your project in formats like JPEG, PNG, or PDF. Simply click the Export button and choose your preferred option. You can also share your design directly to various platforms with just a few taps. Your projects are saved securely, making them accessible whenever you need them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.